Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny and I'm so glad you guys could join me for this power hour clean with me. My goal this afternoon is to clean all 3 kids' bedrooms in this power hour, so that's 20 minutes for each room plus filming, and I'm not sure if I can do it. I have never timed myself before, but I am definitely up for the challenge. And today's video is a collaboration with Cocoa Shanae. I'm going to link her channel in the description. She does all kinds of great cleaning motivation and organization videos. You guys are going to love her channel. She has such a wonderful personality and she is just the sweetest person, and we have been friends since we both started our channels, and I love watching her videos, and you guys go check her out. You're going to love her. And if you are here from Coco's channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Let me know in the comments your name and something about yourself. I would love to get to know you. And I really hope that you enjoy this video, and I'm so glad you're here with us. And of course, if you love cleaning motivation videos and organization and all things house and home, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and become part of our family. We would be absolutely honored to have you join us. Okay, so I started my power hour at about 3:37, and I started in baby Alex's room. And today I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the pine scent, and I'm just using this one cleaner, and that way I don't have to switch out cleaners since I am on limited time. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. Y'all, I was putting up Alex's little manger scene, as you can see, and I could not find the baby Jesus. The baby Jesus is MIA, so I am like looking all over his room for this baby Jesus. So if you guys see it, let me know. So you can't hurt me like you did before. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep. I hope you guys are having a good week so far. I am definitely having a nice week over here. I'm enjoying this beautiful fall weather, and I can't believe that next week is already Thanksgiving. I'm so excited. Let me know in the comments, what are you guys cooking for Thanksgiving? I want to know, do you have family recipes? Are you trying something new? What are you guys planning on cooking for Thanksgiving? And lo and behold, I went to go restock the little diaper caddy with Alex's diapers, and there was the baby Jesus under the changing table. So I was really happy to go put him back in his little spot. And I'm just giving his room a quick vacuum, and then it's on to Noelle's room.
We both said some awful words, and I know that we both got hurt, but I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. We can't let this slip away. You know that I want you to stay, 'cause I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Don't run away. We can't let this go to waste. I don't want nobody else. Don't let this go to waste.
And y'all, I'm literally about to spill this entire pile of Pokemon cards. Now, if I had all night to clean and was not doing a power hour, I would never have spilled these cards. It's so funny, but the fact that I only had 1 hour to clean and that time was of the essence, that is why I dropped these cards. I guarantee it. And my daughter Noelle's lamp broke the other day, so that is why she has no lamp on her nightstand. So now we need to go shopping for a new lamp.
Think about you night and day, and I just want you here with me. I wanna be with you. You know it is the truth. Don't run away. We can't let this go to waste. I don't want nobody else. Don't let this go to waste. Don't let this go to waste. I just wanna let you know. I wanna be with you. Don't let this go to waste. Don't let this go to waste. To waste. Feels like we're fading out. I'm losing you. Can't we try again? Don't let this go to waste. Feels like we're fading out. I'm losing you. Oh, can't we try again? Don't let this go to waste. Don't let this go to waste. Don't let this go to waste. Don't let this go to waste.
And I left the room to take out Noelle's trash, and that is when I became super nervous because I realized I only had just a few short minutes left, and I still had Nathan's room left, which he is my 11-year-old boy, and his room can get very messy. So I started to become very nervous about that. So as I headed in there, I was definitely sweating it.
Hey, we can run away. You say you wanted to.
So once I realized that there was only a pillow and a pair of socks under his bed, I actually felt a little bit better, because sometimes just what I will find under his bed would take me an hour alone to clean. So I was really grateful today that there was only 2 things under his bed, and I started to feel a glimmer of hope.
Like a wrecking ball, we can break them all to a higher ground. We will not be found. We can win the game.
And just to give my kids a little bit of credit, they do clean their rooms every evening before they go to bed. Well, I should say most evenings. Nobody's perfect. But tonight they were out to eat with their dad, Ryan, and I wanted to come in here and just give the rooms a really good cleaning, not just a tidying up, but an actual cleaning. So that is what you're seeing me do now.
Hey, we could be okay, but I dream that we can fly. You wanna go back, you wanna go back to a place where we can hide. You wanna stay there, you wanna stay there, we can leave the pain behind. Stay, stay, stay. Like a wrecking ball, we can break them all to a higher ground. We will not be found. We can win the game. We can go insane like a shooting star. Don't you? Like a wrecking ball, we can break them all to a higher ground. We will not be found. We can win the game. We can go insane like a shooting star. Don't you wanna stay? Don't you wanna stay with me? Don't you wanna stay?
All right, guys, I am all done, and let's look at the time. Okay, it is 4:32, 4:33. So I've got a couple minutes to spare, so I think I'm just gonna go spray the rooms really quick with some balsam spray to make it smell especially good for Christmas. I am so excited that Christmas is coming. I know Thanksgiving's not even here yet. I understand that, but this year I was a little excited, and this year I may have decorated a little bit early. So if you haven't seen my Christmas clean and decorate video yet, please go check it out. I'll go ahead and link it. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I want to give Nathan a special thank you for watching baby Alex while I cleaned today. He watched him for the whole hour while I cleaned. Did he take good care of you? Yes? No? Oh, are you throwing him under the bus? As always, thank you so much for watching. I love hanging out with you guys. I love getting to know you in the comments. And if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and take a moment and do so and join our family. We would be so honored to have you. And thank you again for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.